Some more parts arrived for the 190 build. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so what we have here is a Clutch Masters FX100 clutch with a pressure plate. It's designed to hold about 325 pound-feet of torque, and that's going to be plenty for what we're going to start with. Next up, Toga Factory. Not quite sure if I'm saying that right. You can let me know in the comments. But we've got our adapter plate for our engine to our transmission. We have our flywheel, custom-made flywheel. And we also have a custom-made throwout bearing. We need this because that flywheel is a little thick for the engine that we're going to be putting it on. Clutch did come with the clutch tool. Always need one of those. And I had to order some custom bolts. Now that you've seen these, you've seen the transmission in the last short. Next one will be the engine. Then you'll know exactly what my plan is.